Today on Cooked at Camp, we've got picanha on the spit and Tiff's whipping up a broccoli salad. This cooking segment is just a snippet from a regular wild touring episode exploring the Cape York region with our good mates Alex and Aaron from Now or Never. To watch this full episode, click the link in the video description below. We're going to cook something that I've drawn a bit of inspiration from Alex.
Oh, both of them are inspiration. Your picanha.
Oh yeah.
And my broccoli salad is also inspiration.
Yeah, true.
From WA Camping Adventures.
Yeah. So the broccoli salad from Pete and Shez, and the picanha is something that Alex has cooked a few times on his channel.
Yeah.
And it's a cut of meat that I've never cooked before, so I wanted to save it for this trip so he could give me a few pointers if I need them. But yeah, we might start getting that together. I'll get the fire pit out and we'll go from there. Fire is going in the background and Tiff's just going to start getting this broccoli salad together. We need to wait for that fire to burn down. It's going to take an hour or so, but we'll get this salad sorted.
Right, it's really easy. It's raw broccoli that I've just chopped into tiny little florets.
Yep.
Yeah,
Florets.
I know what you're thinking. Well, it is florets, isn't it?
No, I like it.
I know what you're thinking, broccoli salad. It sounds disgusting, but it's actually delicious.
Yeah. So that's raw broccoli, by the way.
It's open. So broccoli, I have fried some bacon. The red onion is raw still. You're going to pour this in for me.
You do the bacon and the red onion?
Do that next.
Pour it in.
Good job.
Now I can do this.
Not yet. Not yet. We're going to do the sauce now.
You're going to mix the sauce?
Right, you're going to squeeze that in. I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon. And then I've got mayonnaise and sour cream, sort of an equal part of both.
Now
You can also do
this in.
Greek yogurt and mayonnaise,
If you're healthy, which we're not.
but we like sour
Pour
cream.
this out.
Not yet. You're going to do this, put a big dollop in. Put it in.
Good job.
That's it. I'm going to do a little bit more for you.
Okay.
I don't really know how much, just equal parts. And then mayonnaise.
And then this.
Yep.
Whoa. There's a few seeds there.
Bit too many seeds. Pine seeds. Any sort of seeds are nice. Pine nuts.
Can I pull the
Pumpkin
seeds in?
seeds. Any of that.
Come.
Have you squeezed the lemon? No, you've done that. And then we're going to add some cranberries too, just to make it a little bit sweet.
I can add a little bit of lemon to make it sweet.
Salt and pepper.
Nah,
Can you do the salt? Can you do the salt?
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
do that next when I do this one.
Hope you like it seedy, guys.
So we're gonna have tea with Alex and Aaron tonight, and that I haven't quite got enough picanha, I don't reckon, for all 8 of us. But Alex and Aaron are thinking they might smoke some. You thinking chicken breast?
Yes, like a jalapeno
I do
popper.
the
Jalapeno popper chicken, so it'll be stuffed with cream cheese and jalapenos and then wrapped in bacon and smoked.
That sounds delicious.
It is.
Yeah,
Hopefully it is delicious.
and that'll be dinner. We're gonna.
These guys haven't tried broccoli salad before.
Oh, they haven't?
Not this broccoli
Not this
salad.
one.
All right.
It sounds delicious though.
Yeah, if you like seeds, you're gonna love it. If you're a bird, you're gonna be all about this.
But also, if you hate broccoli, this is an awesome. Like, I don't like broccoli,
Yeah, me
but
either.
I love this.
Yeah.
So many people I've given this
Can I put
recipe
this
to
in?
and claimed it as my own,
Can I
Yeah.
hold this
and
in?
they've loved it.
No, we got enough seeds, thanks, mate.
We got plenty of seeds. buddy.
Chloe won't eat this one though, which is a bit of a shame. Be interesting to see if
Try
your
it.
kids like
I
it.
want to
Yeah.
put
I can
seeds
tell you right
in.
now, one will and one won't.
Bella will, Toby won't.
Seeds
Yeah.
Right,
Okay.
Brodie's going to have a taste test for us.
All right, cool.
Here you go.
You tell us it's yum. You cooked it. Tell me if it's yum.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Wow.
Well,
okay.
if Brodie likes it, we're onto a good thing, right?
Yeah. It's funny how if they help cook it, then they'll eat it.
I know.
Yeah.
I think he's second guessing his choices
What?
in life.
Yeah.
It's because he sucked up all the cheese and everything.
Nah, it's good, isn't it?
It's good.
Yum?
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Where's my water?
Never work with children or animals.
No.
That was perfect.
So I've cut it against the grain because I think the idea is that when you carve it afterwards, you're cutting against the grain again or with the grain. I don't know. I saw it on another YouTube channel and they were much better cooks than I am. So we're going with what they're doing. Anyway, you're doing little C-shaped bits when the meat's big enough to do it with the fat cap on the outside. And then I'll season it and it will cook for about an hour or so. I'll probably cheat and put a meat thermometer on it just because I want to get it right. And we'll cook it to like medium rare, so like probably, or maybe sort of rare-ish, sort of 55.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's all right, isn't it? Anyway, what time is it now? Because I reckon this will take about an hour.
20 past 4.
That's about right then. 5:30. Sound good? And somehow it's all come together amongst all of the cocktails. So Alex has just pulled his chicken breasts off the smoker. They're wrapped in bacon, they're stuffed with cream cheese, jalapenos, and I have carved up our picanha, and I've had a little taste test. It does taste delicious. I was a little bit worried about how much smoke was going to come on that. You were too, weren't you? But it's really, really tasty. Tiff's got a broccoli salad. We're doing all right.
Good to go.
Yeah. Looks good.
You guys go and tell us what you think. Oh,
Well,
yeah.
actually,
Oh yeah, have a taste of everything.
Yeah, have a taste.
Do that for me, would you?
I just want to have a taste of
Just for you.
Yeah.
that and that.
Oh, you haven't tried that.
I already know I'm gonna love this salad. I just had a little bit when it was delicious.
Look at him. Baby. God.
He's the worst
Terrible.
person.
I know, Tiff does the same thing.
He's the
It's like
worst
9
person.
minutes later.
I know. Chance. You're just gonna speed it up and be like.
Do you know what though? Sometimes Tiff will taste things and she's like, eh. And then I turn the camera off and she goes, oh, that was really good. So it's worth giving the time. We'll come back to you, mate.
Amazing. That is so tender.
Oh, good.
So good.
Good.
So I've never cooked, like I've done a lot of picanha. Never like that. I'm going to try that next time.
Yeah, okay. Because that's pretty well done now too.
It is, but picanha handles it.
Yeah,
I
because
think.
Well,
decent cut of meat, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, now you'll trust him, don't
Yeah,
you?
go. Toby, get in there.
Have a crack, Tobes.
Try the picanha,
That's
mate.
really good.
Have a taste.
All right.
It's so tender.
The smoky flavour is nice too.
Yeah, it's not too much, eh?
No
But
one
that-
commented on my salad.
No, I did. It's delicious. It's delicious. But yeah, that combo of the picanha and the salad, amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Now if everyone
doing
can just
all right.
move out of the way so I
Yeah.
can eat it.
Serve up, have a feed.
Yeah, go.
And let's turn the camera off, eh? Cheers,
See you next
guys.
week.
That is why we need good seat covers, Razorback seat covers.
I know I'm lucky, man, but I don't feel lucky, man. What can I feel?